Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Are you ready to take control of your finances? Then it's time to master the art of what? Frugal living. With these savvy tips and tricks, you can save more money and live a more fulfilling life. Sound good? Let's start with budgeting. Take a close look at your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Set a realistic budget for areas like groceries and entertainment. Stick to it and watch your savings grow. Next, let's talk about meal planning. Oh, my wife's gonna be so proud of me on this one. By preparing your meals at home, as you might imagine, you can save a significant amount of money. Plan your meals for the week, make a shopping list, and as I've already mentioned, stick to it. Not only are you gonna save money in this area, but you're gonna eat a lot healthier. Another frugal living tip, which my daughter will appreciate on this one, is secondhand shopping. Oh, how she loves to go in those thrift stores and look for herself, or dad even, a new shirt. You can find all kinds of great bargains in these places if you just spend time and look. You can find everything from clothing to furniture, and there's still quality products. Are you aware of the power of coupons? Coupons. Which one is it? Coupon. Coupon. What do you think? Before you head out to go shopping online or in the store, look for some coupons and discount codes. You'll be amazed at the amount of money you can save just by using these little digital certificates. Here's a secret tip. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers so when you get paid, it happens automatically. The amount of money you want to transfer from your checking account where you got paid into your savings account, your future money. Even a small amount can add up over time and it turns into this financial safety net. Finally, and who wouldn't like this one, take advantage of free resources. Libraries, community centers, online platforms, YouTube videos. They offer a wealth of information, entertainment, and educational opportunities. From books to resources, these opportunities can enrich your life without costing you a dime. So are you ready to become a frugal living pro? Yes! Start implementing these tips into your daily life and watch your financial situation improve. Remember, mastering the art of frugal living is about making conscious choices that are going to benefit both your wallet and your well-being. Thanks for watching this video on the art of mastering frugal living. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips and tricks. And if you'd like more information on how to save specifically in the grocery store, then watch this video right here. And until next time, may God bless you.